Hey folks, take a walk with me. That's outside. I'm gonna take a tour of my little office here. This is our dining room. It's a little dark in here right now. When I say little office, that's about all of it. I have to come up with crafty ways to stack things in here, but we keep our packing supplies, some of our filament, our air pillow machine, scales and stuff like that over here. And then our paper tape machine. There's our laser printer up there and some other stuff down in there. So very small office. This is the whole thing. But anyway, this is where all the work gets done. And as you can see here, we got two Bambu Lab P1Ss. There's some more storage down underneath there for filament. And of course we got the AMS on each one of these, which is the Advanced Material System, I think that is. I don't know, but they make it so you can print 4 colors at a time. And then our dry box there, so to dry filament. Don't use that very often, but we do use it. Nice sign I made with the logo. You can go on to Bambu Lab's Maker World website and go to Maker Lab and make signs, light boxes, just about anything, and it's really cool. And that one came out really nice. I really like it. Let's see what it looks like lit up here. So there you go. I gotta change the lighting in there. But anyway, this is our very first machine that we got. This is the Bambu Lab P1S, and it is called the Chicken Coop. As you can see, there's a chicken hen-on nest. All of our hen-on nest magnets originally were made on that machine, so I thought that was an appropriate name for it. You can see some of our ties back there. Those are eBay inventory. And it's a mess in there, don't look. And this bad boy over here is Bigfoot, or Bigfoot's lair, I guess we call it. He's printing a thing right now. And we named him that because we printed, the first time we printed this guy, he was in there. So that was Bigfoot's lair. That is our Bigfoot business card holder. That's available on Etsy. Anyway, so that's the two Bambu Lab P1Ss. With some storage on either side of that. They're literally in a closet. I don't have much room, but they're literally in a closet. That's where all the work gets done. And here is our Bambu Lab A1. That's Herbie. Herbie is called Herbie because he's white, and I just thought that was a good name for him. And on Herbie today, we're printing what looks like a giant moose. And what that is now, it's a prototype, that's why it's green. But I was at the thrift store today and I saw this toilet paper holder there. It was a moose, so I took a picture of it, brought it home, used some software and made a toilet paper holder. So we're gonna see if this works. It takes up a lot of the build plate and I hope it's the right size. I think I got my measurements right. I even have one of these to try with it. So this isn't the final product, but it is, I think, a pretty cool idea. And it'll look good. Right now we're printing in single color. Of course it'll be more than one color. It'll be probably a lighter brown plus a black for the eyes and nose and stuff like that. Kind of like it is over here. The black for the nose there and the eyes, and then the lighter brown for the rest of it. So anyway, that's a tour of our little office here. Not very big, not much room to work, messy desk. And that was my 3 screens, the iPad, and then my 2 work screens. So anyway, thanks for watching. You folks have a good day. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Sweetwater out.